Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce and Pedal Mel. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a pretty quick one, fairly fast one I should say. I just want to compare this newer release of the Koenigsegg Agera R, which comes from Hot Wheels Boulevard Car Culture Series, car number 10. I want to compare it to the original 2013 red and black Agera release. So we'll get started here. I'll just show you the back of the pack. I had to order this off of eBay because once again, I never was able to find this in the stores. Come to think, I had never seen any of these in the stores, and kind of sad to say that because I pretty much wanted every one of them except for the Camaro. I could do without the Camaro. And it's okay, don't get me wrong, but I have other variants of that, and all of them actually look nice, but I was kind of hoping to see these in the stores, but once again, that didn't happen. So we'll go ahead here and cut this, crack this open, and then I'll compare it here up on the turntable, get a closer look. All right, now we have them up on the turntable. It's pretty evident that they are very similar to each other. Obviously, it's the same casting. Even the bases are both dated 2013, which kind of surprised me. I had a feeling that the white one would kind of have an updated year date on the bottom, but they definitely look awesome out of the pack and together. And the wheels are changed on the newer one, and I know a lot of people prefer the new wheels over the old. I must say, looking at them together, I agree. The old wheels are kind of strange looking. I think they were very exclusive to that car only. I'm not sure if I've even seen those wheels ever used on another Hot Wheels car. I'm sure you guys out there know better than I do on some of the nuances, but I believe those wheels on the red one was only ever used on that car. Maybe some of those Speed Racer series of Ferraris, possibly. I'm not sure though. But the new JDM style 6-spoke wheels on the white one, which is the one we're gonna mostly focus on here, looks really, really good on this. Obviously, we can see the bat on the back there. It almost looks like there's a screw up in the tampo right here in the back, but it's a little bat there, which is a Koenigsegg thing. Very cool though. I love the little black stripe behind the wheel, which the red one doesn't have that. A little bit extra details. The tampos look great on this. Like, look at the front, little red stripes, even around these fender vents. The headlights look pretty good. Not much going on in the back there, but both of them have satin black bases. The red one is a little more of a flat black than the white one is a little bit more of a glossier satin. Pretty cool to be able to see both of them together. I paid a lot of money for this red one a few years ago, to the point that it's pretty embarrassing even to talk about how much I paid for the red one. But I did pull it out of the pack, and I'm pretty sure it arrived in a pack, if I remember correctly. But I was always fascinated by it. I always wanted one because I liked how they did the mirrors on them, which is really unusual for Hot Wheels. They don't usually do anything like that. They don't have to go to that expense. And I think the way when they cast them, it's very difficult to get mirrors like that to come out correctly. So I was always fascinated by the red one there, and I always wanted it. And so I ponied up the money, which was I think I paid $75 for it, I believe, a few years ago. It was a lot of money, I remember. I'm sure they've probably come down in price since they released the white one, but both are really cool. It's neat to see them together. You guys have to let me know down below which is your favorite, the red one or the white one. I love them both. I think they're going to look awesome in my case together. Like I said, the red one was definitely a must-have in my opinion. But when the white one came out, that one, of course, people are price gouging that one as well already. So I think I paid $12 for $10 or $12 for the white one. I'm sure it'll keep going up in the future. There's no doubt. But I think I do like the new wheel choice a little bit better than the old one. And I like how there's a license plate on the red car, and the white Agera does not have a license plate, which would probably help break up all that black, you know, on the tail end there if we had a license plate. But either way, very, very cool. Awesome. And I love here, I've just noticed this here, the way the front splitter, of course, is black, and that's part of the base, how that sticks out from the front looks great. I think they did that. Yeah, they did that with the red one as well. It's pretty similar there. I think if this had black mirrors, I would like that a little bit better on the white one, and that would look probably perfect then. But beggars can't be choosers, right? So there you go. That was a quick look at the new Hot Wheels 2020 Boulevard Series Agera R, which is the white and black one with red trim. And I wanted to compare it to the red and black Agera R from 2013. You guys have to let me know down below which one you guys prefer. Do you like both? Do you like one wheel choice over the other? Or what wheels do you think they should have put on the white one that they did not do? I love hearing it. I love getting comments. And I love, you know, what you guys tell me and what you think of everything. Anyway, if you like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, I appreciate it. And if you're not a subscriber of this channel, please consider subscribing. It's free. You can't beat free. And hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, I will see you guys later. You guys have a good night. Happy holidays. See you soon. All right. Bye now.